Hello, New School Beyblade here, and today I'll be doing a unboxing video on the Dragonfire Faceoff Dual Dragon. Yeah, it's the set. It comes with the flame disc or 11 color disc for Hasbro. And yeah, that's one of my recent builds I did. If you guys don't know, I'm a huge mecha fan. I actually always liked it since 2000 and yeah 2001 when actually that's one of them, and here's my second one. I have it in his other mode, but yeah, the Gundam is the series I grew up with, and I recently started to watch Evangelion. That's pretty good. And also I have a few more. I just got this guy in today as I'm recording this, and same day as a stop motion video I uploaded. Let me know in the comment section below of this video if you want to see more stop motion battles with and the Gundam stuff. I was still doing Beyblade. That's the main priority in this channel, but with some figure building stuff. And also here's another one. And I watched the anime of this already, and it's good as hell. Kind of dented a bit in the box, but yeah. And this is the build kits, so yeah, comes with the actual figure. Same with that one actually, comes with him. For some reason, the suit looks like tits. If you guys don't know. This one up, so I actually had to wear a female suit, and that was funny as hell. Now I have multiple different others in back stock. If you want to see that, let me know in the comment section below, because I have a whole bunch of back stock. Yeah, let me move this gorgeous looking Eva 00, or the prototype, but yeah. I'd be doing a stop battle, and because with extra hands and everything like that, I had to glue these hands to do a shot, picture. But yeah, let's get into this actually. Let's do it. I'm not using metal knives because I can't find them. Actually, no. That's a lie, but I just want to, because I was close. But yeah, this is, Mirage Diavolos D6 and Vex Dragon D6. Another gorgeous. I like the recolors of this one. And sorry I haven't done the battles yet. I've just been real busy with work, building Gundam or Gunpla, watching anime, reading manga, stuff like that. But yeah, I'll be getting up with those tournaments. Just been real busy. But yeah. Let's go. Boom. Wasn't expecting to find this. I actually watched Zenki's video on this a bit. But yeah. Before I found this. So. Stuff it in the box. No, that's just the instructions. Now we'll be using the actual launchers for this video because, and there's the gold, the scepter, a cool little recolor. Right spin for this, and then left spin for this one. There we go. Okay. And I'm actually literally watching a Gunpla or Gundam build right now. So I used to love building Lego and Halo Legos and stuff like that. So it's a lot cheaper than Legos. So that's all I'm saying. That's why I got into it. Even though I saw Yeah, you saw in the latest video, I did see the Gundam stuff. And this was an Amazon purchase. So yeah, there's that gorgeous red. I'm happy Hasbro's doing this, cause yeah. Not going to be in the show. Okay, there we go. Really? Like this Okane's color, free color. QR code time. Boom. QR code for this one. Very good. I like that blue color. There we go. Diavolos. No, that one's Diavolos. Yeah. Ooh. God damn, that's tight. And pretty tight for here. Best of 3 versus 2. Yes, I know I haven't used this stadium in a while, so yeah. Let me close this so I won't cut myself. Oh, jeez. Oh, no. No, let's redo that one. Yay. This is why I don't like normal launchers and the controller. Because they suck. One zero. That's why. Okay. Hope you guys like this video. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. And goodbye.